Change is inevitable, especially when it comes to maps. It can seem like every day a new street or exit crops up on your commute. That's why Hyundai offers BlueLink Multimedia Map Updates, which gives 2018 and newer Hyundai vehicles 3 years of complimentary annual map updates. Some newer vehicles may have updates even more often when they have an active BlueLink account. These vehicles get map updates every 6 months, which you can install yourself. If your eligible vehicle is linked to your BlueLink account, you will be notified when new map updates are available, and you can install the update. Installing the update can be done at home. First, you'll need to determine if your vehicle uses SD memory cards or USB memory drives for updates. Consult your owner's manual to determine which type of memory device you will need. You will then need an internet-connected computer using Windows 7 or newer that can write to the memory device you will use. You will also need a memory device, either SD or USB, with at least 32 gigabytes of free space. Finally, you will need your device ID. You can find this in your vehicle. Press Setup, then General. Then SW Info Update. Scroll down to Device ID. Write the device ID down. The process for installing the update is simple. First, go to mapnsoft.com/Hyundai/MapCare. Create an account. Then select Add Vehicle and type in the VIN number. Once you've added a vehicle, select the vehicle. On this page, you can find out how to check your map version. See a map installation guide. See new features in the map update. And learn how to download the update. You can also choose to visit a dealer to perform the update. To download the software and perform the update yourself, select Place an Order. Here you can choose to download the file and save it to your memory device. Or you can order a memory device to be shipped to you, which will have a cost associated with it. You will then need your device ID. If you did not obtain it earlier, you can click a link to see the steps. Once you have the device ID, type it in. Then you can begin the download. For vehicles that use SD cards, use the Map Update Installation Manual to install the update. For vehicles that use a USB drive for updates, once the data has been downloaded and stored on your USB device, remove the drive from the USB port and go to your vehicle. Start your vehicle and do not turn off your vehicle until the entire updating process is complete. Then press Setup, then General, then SW Info Update. Insert the USB drive into the USB data port in your vehicle. See your owner's manual to find out which port is the USB data port. Then press Update on the screen. Follow the instructions on the screen. Depending on the total data amount, the update may take several minutes. Be certain not to turn off the vehicle, system, or remove the storage device while the update is in progress. Doing so may damage the data or cause a system malfunction. Once the update is complete, you'll be ready to go. For more information about BlueLink Multimedia Map Updates and other BlueLink features, be sure to visit the My Hyundai website.